Want a better way to use a biscuit joiner? Here you go. Most of the time, you take a biscuit joiner, take your two pieces, lay them together, how you want them joined, make a mark on both. Then you take your biscuit joiner, and that mark plunge the hole, put your biscuit in. Try this, guys. Alright guys, we've got the hardwood size for the groove. We've got the opposing groove in this. You glue it, put everything together. Now mind you, this 2x4 by no means is straight. Get it started. It's not straight, but if you had jointed in plain wood, now you just clamp it and you ain't got to worry about putting individual biscuits, and you got a piece of hardwood. And geez, old Pete, if that don't make it stout as a rock, I don't know what does.